Looking forward to finally getting to launch my Patriot and the new Red Max.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That was almost perfectly apogee, Mel.
Nice, eh?
Range still closed. I'm just going to check these.
Dad, it's still going down.
3, 2, 1.
Well, my first rocket build after 30 years, going with the legendary Patriot. Let's get her to the pad.
Launching in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there might be an issue with that igniter. Continuity is good. We're launching in 3, 2, 1.
Good little touchdown and a successful flight on the B4. Got it to about 50 meters.
3, 2, 1.
Perfect. It's repeatable. Rockets in like 30 years.
Yeah, we're close.
Absolutely loving the rocket fashion out here today. Impressive NASA SLS rocket going up for launch. My second model build, the Red Max, in honor of my buddy the German. Fun little build.
Continuity is good. Run this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, deployed. You're lucky.
Where is it? I always see his son.
Those are,
There you go.
Another maiden flight up to about 50 meters.
We have Ben's Patriot on a C65. Continuity is good. We're launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah.
See, it suspends. It's a beautiful one. It's gonna float right back. I cannot. I have no idea if it's in the shot or not. No.
Oh, it's going down. It's going down.
Oh, right between.
We did use a C67 on that, but it looks like a C65 might be a better play.
On number 2.
This is where the paint comes off.
Continuity's good. We're launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
For Germany.
He's coming back. So he's coming right here. We don't have to walk anywhere. It's good that it's not very windy today, eh?
That's true.
nice little flight to about 120 meters. Touchdown.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's gone. Oh, did you see it?
No. Oh, I heard the pop.
We had a little fun with launching a little rascal on a C6. It did go up high, quite high to about 230 meters as per the sim. And of course it did drift away and we had to go hunting in the neighborhood. We did find it, but it took a while. That's a wrap. Thanks, guys. Hopefully you can watch and subscribe.